Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, we are in Puglia today, and we purposely selected this Airbnb or Booking.com booking because the house that we've selected for ourselves nearby is the same floor plan, and we wanted to see what they did with the renovation. They did a spectacular job. So we're going to show you our place when we get it, and then meanwhile I'm going to show you what this looks like, and then I'll share with you some of the design ideas that we're going to do. Okay, so we just came in the front door, and I'll show you the front door in a minute. And this is what they did. This bottom part is kind of, they have a tendency to be dark, these little bottom sections. You'll see when we show you ours. But they did a lot with the light. They used a lot of white in here and light grays and things like that. And then of course red for a pop of color, which is beautiful. Also, the floors are shiny white and they're very pretty. Now, I'm going to kind of walk through, show you the kitchen and what they did. This is set up as an Airbnb. So of course you're not going to have a kitchen if you were living here necessarily. I love this little fridge. It's so cute. Look at, adorable. And I have to say, this hostess really set the place up nicely. She's got this cute little coffee maker here. We've got a washer here. She's got all the coffee stuff here. And then of course, extra coffee, which we love, and everything that you need. And look, little design accents in red, which is really cool. Now up here, there's a bathroom on the other side. And we were like, how are they doing that? We were looking at the ad, and it's actually very interesting. I'm gonna come through because the bathroom is very, hi Didi. The bathroom is very skinny. And that's just how these are built. But what they did with it is very ingenious. Now you've got this over here. It looks like stone, but it's not. I think it's a ceramic tile, but it's very pretty. And the gold accents here. They use this sink here, which is nice. And you've got your toilet and bidet, and you've got a good size shower. I mean, it's not massive, but it's actually very good size. It's bigger than it looks, because if you look to the side, it's slightly bigger than where the door ends up on either side. So it's a good sized shower, and they just did such a pretty job with this. Now the lighting is fantastic. Check this out. Boom. And these mirrors. Hello guys. Every mirror has got lighting around it. Upstairs, the mirror has like dimmer switches and whatnot. So really loving the light in this place because these places can be super dark. All right, let's go upstairs. I'm going to show you what it looks like. You stay here, Bubbles. Okay, we got a stairway. This is the second entrance. If they wanted to use the first level as a residence, they could totally do that, or as a B&B separate from the other part. But they chose to make 2 bedrooms. Okay. And you see here what they did. They've got a little corner here, lighting up there, which is lovely. And they used a big chunk of this space for a bathroom. And again, the lighting, like look at this bank of lighting. Oops, that's a fan. But beautifully done. Big bathroom. And again, lighting up there. And this really cool mirror with lighting. And then you got this really pretty bedroom here, chest of drawers. The use of space in here is really remarkably good. Now, there's this little corner area. They just put a door on it. Bam, closet. Okay, and then here, you've got a really pretty balcony. I think you can see, just gorgeous. The house that we're getting is like this, but it's all open. There is no bathroom on the 2 other levels, on the 2 upper levels. So we've decided that instead of carving out so much for bathroom, we're gonna make kind of a skinny bathroom, a little bigger than the one downstairs because it is a little bit tight, but you can save a lot of space by cutting off the bathroom around here, cut it all the way across so you don't have this here. You still have plenty of space for a nice bathroom and a good sized shower, but it gives you a lot more room for not only the bed, but you can move the bed over and put a little seating area. I always like a seating area in the bedroom that's close to the windows and the balconies. So that's very cool. Now there's another level. And we're coming up. This is the 3rd level, 2nd floor. First of all, I gotta say, that's that chair from IKEA that I love and I really want it. Again, they did the same thing with the bathroom here, but the tiles are different. Another bank of many lights, which I love. Oops, that's a fan. What is this? Oh, okay, look at this mirror. And you have lights on and off. Looks like you have dimmer switches. Oh yeah, and you can change the color of the lights too, which is really cool. And then this is a really huge shower. You got these beautiful ceramic tiles that are made to look like stone here. Shiny, gorgeous, really high-end looking. I mean, they just did a spectacular job with this renovation. Another beautiful bedroom, good sized. Same closet, same balcony. I'm gonna show you the terrace. Okay, I've got Gigi here and she wants to jet out on the terrace, but I don't want her to. So I'm just gonna take this out and show it to you. Look at this beautiful terrace. Wow. And you get not a sea view here, but hey, out of here. Not a sea view here, but certainly a beautiful view of the rooftops. And it's a gorgeous sunny day today. All right guys, since we filmed that video, we are actually in our house and we are super comfortable because we had the plumber come over, he reset the toilets, he put in a hot water heater. He spent more than half a day with us. Really, I don't think he left until like 2 in the afternoon and he got here at 9. And he only charged us a very little amount of money for it. We were really, really surprised. We're like, are you sure that's it? And he's like, oh no, that's fine. He's really lovely. So he's coming over today for the AC splits that we're gonna have, the heater and air conditioning splits that we're gonna put in. He's gonna give us an estimate and we're gonna have him put them right in because he seems like a super honest and fair guy. And we had a visit with the engineer the other day. So we have floor plans now of what we're gonna do and how it's gonna work. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another one of these videos that tells you exactly what we're gonna do because a few things have changed and it's very exciting. Now, on another note, we were in Lecce yesterday and we specifically went to meet with our associate, Michelle. Michelle is an amazing person. We absolutely loved her. And we met Michael over there, who is a transplant from Boston, and he's living in Lecce now. And he has some amazing stories to tell. So we are planning a few days over there in the next few weeks to go over, maybe tour some properties with Michelle, introduce you to Michelle, introduce you to Lecce, introduce you to Michael, and really give you an idea of what Lecce is like. There's some really exciting things happening over there. So stay tuned, you guys. We have so much more coming.